Who says that Kuska needs chicken or mutton gravy? Today I am making a vegetarian version that my daughters absolutely love. Fluffy Kuska rice with crispy potato wedges. Wash 3 bowls of rice 4 times and soak it in a water for 30 minutes. Slice onions and chop garlic, ginger, coriander and tomatoes. Heat oil and fry the sliced onions until golden brown. Sliced onions are now golden brown. Remove and keep aside. At the same time, boil 5 bowls of water in another pot. Add whole spices, khada garam masala and a few lemon slices. Let it simmer. Spice water is also boiled. Cut potato into wedges. Seasoning them with turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, spicy red chili powder, garam masala and salt. Mix well and fry until crispy. Usually kuska is served with chicken or mutton gravy. But my daughters don't eat non-veg much. They love potato wedges. So one day I serve kuska with these crispy wedges. And now this is their favorite combination. In the same pot, saute chopped garlic and ginger. Mix gently. Then add chopped tomatoes and cook until soft. Add chopped coriander and saute for a few seconds. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the masala. Add half of the fried onions. Pour in the hot spice water. Add turmeric, mix masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, spicy red chili powder and salt. Stir gently. Cook until most of the water has evaporated. Top with the remaining fried onions and fresh coriander. Cover with a lid and cook on the lowest flame for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the rice rest for 15 minutes. Flip the rice gently and serve hot with crispy potato wedges. Would you try kuska with potato wedges?